So good morning everyone. So in last class we have started our new chapter that is called as algebraic expressions. So in this we have discussed about what is variable. In last class we have discussed about what is variable, constant, term, what is numerical expression, what is algebraic expression, and how many different types of algebraic expressions also we have learned. So how many different types of algebraic expressions are there? First one is monomial, second one binomial, third one is trinomial, and last one is multinomial or polynomial. Okay, so we have discussed about these topics, that is variable, constant, term, numerical expression, algebraic expression, monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. So next is we are discussing about like terms. So what are like terms and unlike terms we will discuss now. So what is next topic? That is like terms. So what do you mean by like terms? Like terms are terms which contain same variable and also same exponent. Exponent is nothing but power. It should have same variable and also same exponent. So whenever you are seeing in any two terms having the same variable and same exponent, so that type of terms we will call it as like terms. Number can be any value, but variable and exponent should be same. So that type of terms we will call it as like terms. So first you write a definition. So like terms are the terms which contain same variable and same variables with the same exponent. So these are called as like terms. So what are like terms you will see. Suppose I am taking here some terms, we are taking some monomials I am taking here. Yx. So in this, which are like terms we have to find. Okay, and one more term, one or two more terms I will take. Okay, so these are the monomials what I have taken. So in this, what are like terms we have to pick out. So what are like terms? Like terms are the terms which contain same variable and same exponent. So number can be anything, coefficient can be anything. Coefficient is nothing but before variable which number is there, that is called as coefficient. So coefficient value can be anything, but variable and exponent value should be same. So here first variable I am taking this one, first one I am taking. Here you are seeing x cube. So again where you are seeing x cube? Here. So number is different, no problem, it can be any number, but variable and exponent value should be same. So x, here also you are having x. Exponent value is 3, here also exponent value is 3. So you can say 2x cube comma minus 4x cube are like terms. So these two are like terms. Again next one we will see. Next is what? Y square. Where you are seeing only y square term. Here y is there, here also y is there. Okay, here square is there, here also square is there. So we can say these two terms are also like terms. So 3y square comma minus 4y square are also like terms. Next one. What is next one here? X, Y. Where you are seeing X and Y terms. Only, and what is the power of X and Y here? X power is 1 and Y power is 1. So it should be X and Y. Where in which terms you are seeing another XY. So here is XY and here also you are seeing XY. XY. So X power is 1, X power is 1. Y power is 1, Y power is 1. So variables are also same and exponent values are also same. Only what they did, only the variables they have reversed. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Both the values will be same. In the same way, X into Y or Y into X will be XY only. So these two are also like terms. 3XY minus 3YX are also like terms. Okay, next one is what here? X cube term. Where you are seeing X cube? Already we did this. Now, what is the next term? Z. Anywhere you are seeing only single Z. In this term, Z is not there. In this term, Z is not there. In this also, Z is not there. Here also not there. Here also not there. Here also not there. So, in this case, you are having Z, but Z is linked with Y also. But here Y is not there. Here Y is there. So, only Z term is not there. So, these two terms we will call it as unlike terms because they are not having any pair which belongs to same variable and same exponent. So 6z and minus 7zy are unlike terms. Okay, I think you have understood. So what do you mean by like terms? Like terms are the terms which contain same variable and also same exponent. Variable should be same and also the exponent values. Exponents is nothing but power value should be same and also alphabets also should be same. Then only the given 2 or 3 terms we will call it as like terms. If they are not same, we will call it as unlike terms. So this is about like terms and unlike terms. Next is degree of monomial. So already you know about monomial. What do you mean by monomial? Which contains only one term, we will call it as monomial. So for that monomial, what is the degree? How to find the degree we will find. Degree of monomial. So how to find a degree for the monomial we will find now. So first you write the definition. The sum of all exponents of the variables present in a monomial is called degree of monomial. Okay, so what is the definition? The sum of all exponents is nothing but powers. So for any monomial, so we have to add the exponent values, that is we have to add the power values. Then only you will get what is degree of monomial. Suppose I am taking the example as, so is this a monomial? Yes, it is having only single term. So how to find here what is the degree of this monomial? How to find the degree of monomial here? So we have to add the exponents of the variables. So what we have to do? We have to add the exponents of variables. Here x exponent is what? 2, y exponent is 3 and z exponent is 1. If you are not having any power, that means it is having as 1. So what we have to do? We have to add all the exponent values. That is 2 plus 3 plus 1. So that will be how much? 6. So what is the degree here? degree of monomial, that is 3x square y cube z is equals to 6. So what you got a degree of monomial as 6. We got the degree of monomial as 6. In the same way you can take other example. Okay, so this is other example. So how to find the degree of monomial? This is one monomial. This is what? This is one monomial, and we have to find the degree of this monomial. So how to find the degree of monomial? We have to add all the exponent values. That is 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7. So that will be how much? That will be 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So you got a degree of monomial as that is minus 4x cube y power 5 z is equals to how much? 15. So degree of monomial is how much? 15 here. So next is we are going to learn about degree of algebraic expression. Now how to find the degree of algebraic expression we will see. So degree of algebraic expression. So how to find the degree of algebraic expression? Already I told you about algebraic expression. So what do you mean by algebraic expression? Numerical values and variables combined with fundamental operations forms an algebraic expression. Suppose 2x cube plus 5y square plus c equals to 0 plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is one algebraic expression. This is one algebraic expression. So for this we have to find what is degree of this expression. So how to find the degree of an expression? First write the definition. So the highest of the degree of a degree of all the terms of an expression is called degree of algebraic expression. So what is the definition here? The highest of the degree of all the terms in all the three terms. This is one trinomial. Okay, this is one algebraic expression and also it is a trinomial. So in this, so which is having the highest exponent value, highest degree value, that will be a degree of algebraic expression. So in this case, what is the highest degree? That is 3. Okay, so in this case, what is the highest degree? 2. So degree of a constant number will be always 0. So you have to remember degree of constant number. Constant will be equals to 0. So always a degree of a constant value will be equals to 0. So 3 is a constant number. So the degree will be 0. So for this the degree is 3. For this it is 2 and for this 0. So in these three numbers, which is the highest degree? 3 is the highest degree. So what we will tell? Degree of this algebraic expression will be 3. So therefore, degree of algebraic expression, that is 2x cube plus 5y square plus 3 is how much? That is 3. So we have to pick the highest degree from all the terms. In monomial you will be seeing only single term. So we will add all the exponent exponent values. But here you are seeing more than 2 terms. So from all the terms we have to take out the highest degree, then you will get the then you can find degree of algebraic expression. So one more example we will take here. That is PQ minus 6P square Q square minus P square Q plus 9. So this is also one expression, and I want to find what is the degree of this algebraic expression. So individually first you find. So for this, P is not having any power, so we are taking it as 1. Q also not having any power, so we are taking it as 1. So if you consider this as a monomial, only this term as a monomial, so how to find a degree of a monomial? Addition of exponents. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Here degree of this PQ is 2. Now degree of 6P square Q square will be how much? 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And what is the degree of P square Q? P exponent is 2 and Q exponent is 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3. And what is the degree of this constant? That will be always 0. From this all terms, what is the highest degree? 4. So this is the degree of this algebraic expression will be 4 here. So therefore, degree of algebraic expression will be how much? 4. So in this case it is 4 and in this case it is 3. So just we have to pick out the highest degree for finding the degree of algebraic expression, and for degree of monomial we have to add all the exponent values. So then you will get degree of monomial value. So in this algebraic expression, degree for finding algebraic expression, we are taking the highest power, and for finding the degree of monomial we are adding all the exponent values. So next is how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions we will see. So in this case we are having 2 methods. In this case we are having 2 methods. So next is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So in this addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, we are having 2 methods. So first one is vertical method. We can do in vertical method, and also we can do in horizontal method. So we are having 2 methods. One is vertical method and also second one is horizontal method. And addition and subtraction can be done with only like terms. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So what is the note here? Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So only like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms we can't add and subtract. So how many different methods are there for addition and subtraction? 2 methods are there. One is vertical and other is horizontal method. So what is the note here? Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So till now we have discussed about variable, constant, term, and also we have discussed about numerical expression, algebraic expression, and how many different types of algebraic expressions are there also we have discussed. We have discussed about like terms, unlike terms, and next is degree of monomial, degree of algebraic expression. And next topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So in this you are having two methods, that is vertical method and horizontal method. And what is the note here? Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So this one we will discuss tomorrow. So till now what I have told you, just you revise everything. So tomorrow we will continue the class. Thank you.